So here is the AUKEY cable which I got on Amazon. So it's a lightning to USB-C. Let me check how it works. Oh, there's two cable in the box, and it's actually 0.3 meter, means 1 feet long, and you can charge your iPhone, iPad or iPod, or even now it's the AirPods also. It's a lightning cable. This is a really new AirPod Pro. The material looks very tough and genuine. Uh, it's not very long, but it's enough to transfer data and charge your phone from the power bank. The now new power bank comes with the USB Type C. My laptop is also USB Type C. I put in the laptop. Let me put this in this iPhone. Yeah, it's charged. It requires to unlock, but I don't have the passcode for this laptop, so I'm not doing review about the data transfer, but it works good. I tried. Now let's charge the AirPods. Yeah, it works here too. So I recommend you to buy this cable. It's really nice in quality and comes with 24 months manufacturing warranty. Let me show you the warranty card. Here is the warranty card. It says 24 months, but actually it works more than 24 months. It's come with a lifetime warranty. Thank you.